Yes, students, very good morning to all of you. Take out your grammar book on page number 35. So let's start with once again a cross-checking of all the exercises, and after that let's start with the fourth one. Are you all ready?
Yeah.
So beta, on that day we did ki he hung the picture dash the fireplace. Now here you have to write down the above word. Though there are the above word is not mentioned twice, but here we have to make the correction. Write down above over there. Exercise 1 on page 35. Open your book. Have you opened? Yes, you all have to keep your cameras on. Yes. So the very first unit 9. Page 35. The very first one is above. Right? Done?
Yeah.
Okay. So he hung the picture above the fireplace, and after that let's do once again the cross checking. There is a new mall dash the street across the street. So now I am not going to write down all the answers. You all have to listen very carefully. But so come here. Come here. Yes. After that we are playing dash ST Mary's netball team against. Right. Now come to the fourth one. Tejendra is running dash his new dog after his new dog. We enjoyed our picnic dash the beach on the beach. Yes, online students, you can type your answers in chat box. So next one is he was sitting dash his sister beside his sister. Okay, now tell me, let side by side we will make the clear the difference between the confusing words beside and besides. Here, what is the meaning of beside? B-E-S-I-D-E. What is the meaning of beside? Yes. Anyone? Yes, Pratiksha. Teacher, we can say that साथ में हो गया. And besides means when we have s with it. B-E-S-I-D-E-S. Besides. Yes, Jagnu, type your answer in chat box, beta. Yes.
I like coffee besides tea. मतलब मुझे टी के साथ-साथ कॉफी भी अच्छी लगती है.
साथ-साथ हम कह सकते हैं इसके लिए वर्ड, और we can use one particular word in addition to. तो अब अपनी बुक के ऊपर ही जो स्टार बना के लिख लो what is the difference between beside and beside, or after that you have to write down in your homework notebooks also. Means your notebooks also, we have only one notebook of English, not homework and classwork. Okay, and you all have to write down the question number 6 also. Many of you have not written yet of the chapter, many of you. And next time when I'll take your notebooks now, then definitely you'll get a big note. Abhi to maine question mark hi dala hai. Then you will get a big note. It's a reminder. So you all have to do, right? Those who have not done yet. And after that, कल हमको difference कर रहे थे ना, the difference between to word and to words, for and since, right? So in that column, you all know that now you have the Diwali break. So in break, you can write down. So beside means to say जब हम किसी के साथ बैठे हुए, राइट, या हम पीछे बैठे हुए हैं, मींस so this is the meaning of beside. and जब हमारे पास beside के साथ s attach हो जाता है, besides बन जाता है बेटा, then it means in addition to. It means
In addition to.
am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, who will give me one example of this beside and besides? Who will give me? Yes. It is, I'm talking about besides. B-E-S-I-D-E-S. Besides. Like besides painting, he also likes singing. Right? Means singing. के अलावा उसको पेंटिंग भी करा के साथ अच्छी लगती है, राइट. इन एडिशन टू मतलब जब हम कहते हैं ना इसके अलावा ये भी है, बिसाइड. क्लियर? वर्ड इज क्लियर? सो नेक्स्ट वन इज वी एडमायर द फुल मून शाइनिंग. अब both options are correct, above also and over also. Why? Because we are using the above for that thing which is, we can say that at a stagnant form. Stagnant means to say कि जो चीज move नहीं कर रही है, right? And over we use for that thing when a thing is moving from one place to another. So हम यहाँ पे दोनों options को क्यों use कर रहे हैं? Because we don't know कि whether the moon is at the fixed position or it is moving, right? So both options are appropriate. So आप अपनी बुक के ऊपर above oblique over, you can mention both options. Gursimran, make corrections. Make corrections. Yes. Next one is all the answers are not correct. In first answer is above, not over, beta. So the next one is beta. Children are reading dash the library. In the library. The ladies are sitting dash the table and chatting. Around the table and chatting. There is a girl sitting dash the sheep. So this is all for exercise 1. Now हाँ, ये कल भी मेरे को एक स्टूडेंट ने पूछा था, द डिफरेंस राउंड मींस टू से एक नॉर्मल जिसको हम राउंड वे में बोल देते हैं, एंड अराउंड जब हम बोलते हैं इट मींस कि जब कोई चीज उसको प्रॉपरली उसकी मतलब एक पैरामीटर टाइप से उसको कवर अप कर रही है. Not around the sun, around the sun. Next beta, exercise 2. I hope exercise 1 is clear to all.
Yes.
So now come to the exercise number 2. Fill in prepositions with the help of the box. The group of words also. Right? Here already options are given. Options are already given to you on page number 36. Right? So please write down the answer. You have to speak out the answer. So now turn by turn.
स्कूटर साइकिल आ रही है. ओए प्रणव साइड पे.
Right? Okay. Ridwan, just keep your camera on, beta. Both of you keep your camera on. Yes. So now come to exercise number 2. The teacher is sending dash the class in front of the class. Yes, in front of class. So next being B. My house is very dash the beach. Yes, Darsh. Near the beach. Right answer, write down. I think so you all have done in your homework, but this is a type of cross-checking. If anything is wrong, then you must have to make it correct, right? Next one is the picture is dash page 32. Yes, group. On page 32. Better listen to me. Every time, ये तो sentence class में आपको teacher भी बोलते हैं. Open your book on page number. At भी बोलते होंगे, but on is an appropriate answer. क्योंकि Yes. Next one is the bottle of honey is dash the cupboard. On the cupboard भी हम कह सकते हैं, cupboard के अंदर भी हो सकती है, but according to options which is more suitable, yes, in the cupboard. Yes. Next one, Sanchita. Yes, the train went through a tunnel. Next one is there is a long queue dash the bus stop. Harsh, what is the answer? There is a long queue dash the bus stop. At the bus stop. When we have one particular place, there we have to use the preposition at. Right? Next one is draw a square and then draw a circle dash it. Round it. Yes. They have built a fence dash their garden. Yes, Trisha? Around the garden. Why? Because here we have to cover the circumference of that garden. Right? You know the meaning of circumference? Maths mein aapne padha hoga, right? Next one is, yes, Palika. Her house is dash a small public library. What is the answer, beta? Behind. Next one is, he lives dash 20 Mall Avenue. Yes, Kamakshi. At. Right. So, exercise 2 finished. Yes. If anybody has any doubt or confusion, you can ask me. Yes. Seventh answer and fourth. Fourth is beta, the bottle of honey is in the cupboard. And seventh is draw a square and then draw a circle round it. Right? So the next one is come to exercise number 3. Team C, it's your turn now. Yes, online students, are you all writing side by side? Just show me your book. Are you writing? Yes, Ayush, Harvin. Yes, beta. Now, that the 2. हाँ, उसके आसपास somebody. हाँ, तो sheep we can take sheep as singular also and as well as plural also, na? We have done this in I think so number chapter. Not done sheep. Then now come to exercise number 3. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. The boys are jumping dash joy. Yes. With joy, right answer. Yes, beta. Next one is D. I am afraid dash big dogs. Yes, I am afraid of big dogs. Very good. Off item. From is not an appropriate option for it, right? Next one is I brought this pen dash rupees 100. Yes, lovely. For rupees 100. Yes, now Piyush, it's your turn. Learn this poem dash heart by heart. Very good. Yes, online students, side by side, you all have to type your answer in chat box. Good, Chapnoor. Next one is beta. Listen dash what I say. Yes, Niban, what is answer? Listen dash what I say. No. Yes, Ankita. Yes. Listen to what I say. This is also a very common sentence, you know, by teachers. Listen to me. You cannot mix oil dash water. Yes, Bhumika. With oil. You cannot mix oil with water. Have you done? Yes. The next one is we are tired dash waiting for so long. Right. Next one is he readily parted dash his money to help his friends with. Next one is with his money. He really parted with his money to help his friends. He readily, sorry, means कि उसने अपने फ्रेंड की अपनी मनी के साथ हेल्प करी. Next one is people are fighting dash their rights for their rights. Very good. Next one, he has recovered dash from illness. He has recovered dash illness from illness. Okay, sit down. So beta, now come to exercise 4. And before it, let me tell you one thing. Come to the part F. Come to the part F. Okay. F part at page number 37. So now let me make you clear here one thing. Now let's learn how we have to use the prepositions with the nouns, with some of the nouns, with some of the adjectives, and use after the verbs. Okay, there are some particular things. For example, congratulations on winning the first prize. हम most probably for winning भी कर देते हैं कभी-कभी. Right? So you must have to remember congratulations on and matter with you, not matter of you. हम use कर लेते हैं कभी-कभी. So these are the common mistakes, or we can say that these are the common, we can say that the noun phrases that you must remember where you have to use the preposition with some of the nouns, right? And next sentence is, what is the cure for malaria? It means when we are talking about any particular disease, then we must have to use for, means cure for. Cure ke saath we always have to use for word. So these are the common words that you must remember, right? Next one is, he is guilty of theft. When we have the word guilty, then we have to use which preposition? Of. And the reason for. ये तो common है, you all know reason for. What is the reason for? Right? This noise. So now let's again speak out. Congratulations. There is no need to speak full sentence. कोई भी sentence change हो सकता है, subject उसका कुछ भी हो सकता है. Congratulations. Matter. Cure. Guilty. Reason. Very good. Next one is beta, prepositions used with some adjectives. So when we have some adjectives with us, how we have to use a preposition, right? Like I am angry with you for your rude behavior. अब हमने angry जो है, what is the angry word? Which part of speech? Adjective. Angry for. Angry के साथ we use for. Okay. And sorry, angry with, and after that we have to use with the you for your rude behavior. Next one is, the cupboard is full of clothes. Your dress is covered with mud, not with, we can say that your dress is covered of mud, by mud. आप लोगों के mind में ये options आएंगे. So please be careful for that. So you must have to, underline it कि आपको ये highlight हो जाए. Already they are highlighted, right? The next one is, everyone was afraid of the bully in the school. And what is the meaning of bully over there? B-U-L-L-Y, bully. Yes, Sarthak. Kankana, any type of, we can say that जब nuisance वगैरह create करते हैं जो students, किसी को मारना या बिना मतलब से परेशान करना बच्चों को, we can say that don't be bully, right? So you must remember this word. ये आपका vocabulary word and you must use it, this word जब आपको letter writing लिखते हो ना, advising for your brother and friend की अच्छा नहीं है वो, तो आप उसमें bully word use कर सकते हो कई बार. Next one is, she was proud of her beauty. With proud we always use of. And he is very kind to towards नहीं आएगा, kind towards. Next one is I am interested in watching this movie. And next one is be polite to your elders. And he is very good not in maths, in English. क्लियर? ये कॉमन मिस्टेक्स हैं. जब आपके पास 4 ऑप्शंस होते हैं ना, तो आपको सारे ही अप्रोप्रिएट लग रहे होते हैं. तो बिल्कुल करेक्ट वाला होता है वो, तो आपको लगता है कि सुटेबल ही नहीं है इसके साथ. नेक्स्ट वन इज द गर्ल्स वर वेरी fond of. So please repeat once again. Angry, full, covered, afraid, proud, kind, interested, polite, good, fond. Yes. So now we have some prepositions that we use after the verbs. Yes. Fond means to say कि जब आपको किसी चीज का बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, या आपको नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में अगर बोले कि आपको किसी चीज का शौक है, ठीक है, तो हम बोलते हैं कि आई एम फॉन्ड ऑफ म्यूजिक, आई एम फॉन्ड ऑफ, वी कैन से दैट वेस्टर्न डांस, कुछ भी आप बोल सकते हो, दैट इज अप टू यू. सो prepositions used after verbs. So I agree to your proposal. With agree we use to. And do not laugh at beggars. Not on beggars. आपके माइंड में on ऑप्शन भी आ सकता है. ओके, laugh at, agree to, और इसको agree नहीं बोलते, it's agree. Pronunciation is agree. Be careful for it. Apply for leave to the headmaster, and we are astonished at her success. What is the meaning of astonished? This is a very common word. I think so vocabulary में भी use हुआ होगा. Yes. Yes, very shocked or surprised. So whenever you have surprised word in your mind, try to use I'm astonished, right, at her success. Next one is Akbar ruled over. We inquired about. He fought against his enemy. He has failed in the examination. She prays to God every day. And he is charged with theft. Okay, not for theft. कि जब किसी के ऊपर चोरी का इल्जाम लगा, we always use with theft. Yes, बेटा. चोरी. Next one is. So I hope this point is clear to all. Yes. So now come to exercise number 4, beta, and be careful for it. In the following sentences, the prepositions have been used incorrectly. अब हमने जो ये corrections बनाई है ना, कि we have to use congratulations on, right? And we have to use full of, we have to use cure for, right? So ये correct prepositions हैं. So now see what happened in the exercise 4. They said that in the following sentences, the prepositions have been used incorrectly. Support the error and write the correct form in the space provided. Note, there may not be any error in some. In that case, simply put the cross in the space. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि सारे sentence ही wrong हैं. कुछ wrong है, कुछ correct है. जो हमारे sentence बिल्कुल correct है, there what you have to do, the space is given to you. You just have to put cross कि there is no error, right? And wherever the error is, we have to make it correct. So now let me tell you. The judge said, comma, inverted comma, begin. Mr. Baker is guilty with murder. Guilty with होता है, what is answer? Very good. Guilty of. So where what we have to do कि आपके पास जैसे with word है, right? Guilty with. You have to underline this word with, right? And in front of this blank, you have to write down. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now, beta, guilty of murder, he should be hanged. So now we have 20 sentences with us. So I will give you time for it. You all have done?
Yes.
Still, I give you 2-3 minutes because I think so. 2-3 students they have not done. Harsh, you have not done now. Okay, I'll give you 2-3 minutes. Within 2-3 minutes, do it, and after that we'll have one discussion. So yes, beta, let's start the cross-checking of exercise number 4. He lives along the river bank. What is the answer? Cross. This is correct. Yes, online students, type your answer in chat box. He lives dash the river bank, near the river bank. So you have to underline the word along and write down the answer near. Next one is the foolish merchant. Raise your hand. Right answer, Pradmeet. The foolish merchant had to part with his money and valuables. What is the answer? Cross. So this one is correct. Cross. Next one is Arun is related with Neena. Yes, Aisha? Yes, to Neena. Beta, this is not the way to answer. First of all, you have to say कि we underline the verb, preposition with. Okay, with की जगह पे we have to write down to. Okay. So now page number 38, third sentence. We have to underline this preposition with, and we have to write down to in this way. Okay, now the man is still in the hospital. He has not yet recovered dash his illness. Yes, Bhumika? From his illness?
Yes.
Right. So underline the word with and answer from. Next one is the teacher told him that he was weak in all subjects. Yes, Suksham? Cross. Very good. Why you can say that at all subjects? In all subjects. You are not working in all subjects. This is the same. At all subjects is not appropriate. Next one is the new servant is not fit with anything. Sixth one is the new servant is not fit with anything. What is the answer? Yes, so yes, Gurkamal. Yes, preposition we have to underline with, and answer is for. Yes, sir, Noor, what happened? Concept is clear? Sure? Next one is the two men called at each other every day. The two men call, yes, at each other every day. Yes, beta? No. What is the answer? Yes, Rachita? Yes, with each other every day. एक दूसरे के साथ, right? लड़ाई करना. Next one is, yes, online students, you have to type in chat box, beta. Write down the next one. Stupid children make fun on everybody. Yes, what is the answer? Any new one? Will tell me. Yes, just link. Stupid children make fun on everybody. What is the answer? Yes, Navneet. Very good. Stupid children make fun of everybody. Okay. Right. So the beta next one is the thief begged with mercy when he was caught and punished. Yes, mercy. What is the answer? Speak. Yes, Naman. Very good. For the thief begged for mercy. Then he was caught and punished. Are you all writing? Kiran? Next one is the school is in need of money to construct the new building. Yes, Anish? Of to help preposition. So is there any replacement? No. No. Right. So the next one, 11 sentences. The weary soldiers returned on months at sea. The weary soldiers returned on months at sea. Yes, Palika? Sorry? On. Yes, you have to underline first of all the preposition on and write down after. Yes. मतलब एक तरह के साथ बेटा जो सोल्जर्स है ना वो जैसे मतलब जो सोल्जर्स होते हैं यू नो वी हैव द सोल्जर्स इन थ्री पार्ट्स एयर फोर्स होती है एक तरह के साथ नेवल भी होती है तो वो सी में से आफ्टर मंथ्स फ्रॉम सी राइट क्लियर सो बेटा अंडरलाइन द preposition on and we have after for it. And after that, at, we have to underline at, and the preposition is from, right? So you should not swim on such polluted water. What is the answer? In polluted water. Very good. Underline the preposition on and replace it with in. The school is in need of money. Right answer. To construct the new building, yes. So students, thank you. That's all from my side. And you all have to finish this exercise, okay? And I will send the answer key for its cross-checking also. Only 8 sentences are left. Thank you.